girl, Diana. I'm gonna be better trying to make better slime this time with Elmer's glue. Watch how many Elmer's glue I have. I got it from Walmart, and this big tub like this, and I'm trying to hide it. And it's clear and it's purple. School goal style. I didn't get which bottles? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I'm mixing a couple bottles. Let me come back. Hello! I'm finally back. Should be. Yeah, I'm back. So I had to use my calculator for a ticket. Can I only have 12 here? I don't know why it's only 12. Because there should be way more than 12. So, and let me just do a quick search. My fish should be covered. And my goose, that much. And yeah. I use these ones. Because they're easier, cheaper, than like $4. I love, no, these were $3. Great. I got this one at the dollar store, and I got these. My phone thinks I can try to turn off for me. But these donuts don't count, but I am hungry, so I'm just going to use them. Eat them. Oh my gosh. I don't know why my phone's vibrating. It's vibrating for some stupid reason. I was cool. And you also would need time. That's actually really all you need, but you need a color. So, I don't know color. There you go. That's my mom. Dang. So, I have to go to calculator because I only have 12 here, so I'll just get. I'll just stop wasting my time. Glue. Calendar. I mean, not calendar. Calculator. So.
Well, flooded basements are always a concern for property owners. A lot of people bring Forest Coating Deals in Forest Hill with some tips on how best to prepare.
Hi, Nathan. So yeah, we're in this Forest Hill neighborhood because it wasn't that long ago, back in 2013, this area was hit particularly hard. At that time, the system came in pretty quickly.
My phone didn't turn off. I don't know why.
And we're here because we have some tips to mention. One area that people should really be watching.
I should have 29 and 4. Freak.
It's clear. The water appears to be flowing smoothly into it, but around the corner,
Oh, it's glue.
this one, Nathan, and you can see it's got a lot of debris, and this certainly could be a problem spot if the rain comes down.
This house is nasty.
And as a result, could start to cool and
Stop talking about YouTube video.
to catch up with a restoration
Don't do my YouTube video.
Oh, sorry.
Forget what she said. My house is clean.
Well, for me, I gotta clean it.
Well, she has to just clean a couple things, but not a lot. Okay?
Sorry about that.
Well, that's right. see a lot of my house because you don't even see my house because you don't see. So, let's carry on. I had different always glue. I think the always glue that I bought before was smaller than this. I'm hoping, maybe. This is about my YouTube video. I want to know how these taste. So, let's see if dollar store things taste good. Do they taste good or taste bad? I don't know what candies taste good.
That they are well prepared because they do expect to be busy because of this system that's moving through. Back to you.
5:11, 7 degrees. This is Live at 5 in Toronto's Breaking News TV 24. Today, in a case of activists who give water to pigs that were underway to slaughter. Now, that story's coming up. And residents are sandbagging and ferries are standing by the event that hours of rain on the way could threaten homes and buildings on the islands.
Okay, that was pretty good. But out of 1 to 10, it would be a 4. No, maybe 2. I don't like it that much. It's like, it would be great. Way too much sugar. Because donuts inside is also sugar. And plus there's powdered sugar. I don't know why I like powdered sugar one. But I do love them from different places at $7 store. But when I even get food for $1, they're not for this. Oh my gosh. But that's not part of my video. I hear something that goes like that. That's not me. I'm joking, I wasn't beat out the bottle. Lots of fun, we're making fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm making fun. Okay, and you guys don't know Urban Arts. You guys should go to Urban Arts. It's it's called Sunny Donara, but it's not Sunny Donara. It's
Now, the courtroom erupted in cheers at the decision. Grimes spoke outside the courthouse after the verdict.
Compassion should never be illegal. The rule applies to all animals, including giving water to a thirsty, panting pig on her way to slaughter.
What the judge has clearly said in this ruling ridiculously from the bench is that compassion is not a crime. Giving water to a thirsty pig is not a crime. The Crown has created the essential elements that make up the offense of mischief. But not everyone was happy about today's court decision.
oh shoot, I have so many. I have a couple more bottles. There to go.
Like other businesses have continuity of care.
2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 2.
Now, the Crown had argued that crime was interfering with the hog farmer's property, and the owner of the pigs testified he was concerned about contaminants in the water. Well, an update now on the murder investigation of a York Region woman and her American boyfriend, James Delis. Now, the two people who were being questioned by police as part of the investigation have been released. The mother of the American man says the U.S. Embassy in Belize told her both people have been let go and in custody. The bodies of 52-year-old Francesca Mattis and Jude DeBourcy were found on Monday in a sugar
Mama,
Yeah.
I was gonna ask this, but
Yes, my beautiful Diana.
could you get my slime in my room?
In
I
that
get
room?
that paint, that green paint.
Here you go, my lovey-dovey.
Thank you. Mommy calls me her lovey dovey because I'm a lovey dovey and I'm her only daughter, but not her only child. You hear that? Oh my God. Okay, I have one more bottle of Robert glue, but obviously that can't fit in here. Yes! Now we'll show you what
Here you go, honey.
slime.
In that little jar you're making it? Is that how you usually make it, in that little one?
I didn't make it in. Okay, so here's this. And that's my other side. This is my purple one. I'm cleaning my inner container. Is the silver bowl clean?
Let me check for you. Would you like a silver coin?
Doesn't matter.
Here you go, honey.
Using my pot. Oh, freak. Okay, there's a piece of my slime gone now.
Why don't you roll up your sleeves, too?
Right. Why don't I just do this? Uppy. Wait. Down, down. Uppy.
Alrighty.
Oh.
Sorry. Okay.
There. That was my new top. Everybody today at school said when I used to wear to my uniform school, but I don't go to a uniform school. Okay, here is all the glue except one. I think I want to get my hands in here first, but I don't. So I'm gonna use this hard tape. So, that's in my silver pot, not all of it.